Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Modicon EdgeIO training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can make our first connection via Ethernet to the Modicon EdgeIO. So let's go to the presentation. So as you know, we have different ways to connect to the device, and also how we can connect from the different platforms, like the using the web interface or using the Modicon EdgeIO Configurator tool. Okay, those are the two ways. Then we have the possibility to use, there we go, the USB port, USB-C, and also the Ethernet ports, as you can see here, the USB-C here, and the USB and the Ethernet ports like this. Okay, any of those two. Okay, so in our case, what we're going to do now is to use the Ethernet port. So if it's brand new, okay, or you have made a factory reset to the unit, then we need to use the default settings that we have. So I would probably advise you to use the rotary switch that you have here in the store position, this one. The other one, you can put it in any place, just avoid the 0 just in case. Use the stored one, okay, and then you need to pay attention to the last 4 digits of the MAC address. That basically you need to use them in pair, and then you can use the, for example, the calculator, okay, on Windows to put the value. So in this case it's 3E, and you get the decimal point, the decimal part, 62. Then start again and use the B2, and you get the 178. So those will be the IP address. So we start. The default IP address will be 10.10. In my case, 62.178. Okay. Then once you have the connection through the web interface or the Modicon EdgeIO Configurator, then you need to use the default security. That is security admin, like this, with the S in capital and A in capital, and then 8 A's. Okay, so let's have a look how we can make the first connection. So the first connection I would probably advise you to do is a ping, just to check that everything is fine. So it's going to be ping 10.10.62.178. okay, and I got it over there just to show you that I'm not lying to you. I'm going to remove the Ethernet cable. Okay, I'll remove it. Timeout. Radiant. There we go. Back again. So now that I have that connection, it is time to connect. So it's 10.10.62.178. Yes, advance, proceed. Then it will ask us to use the security. So it's going to be security admin. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Login. Here we just need to add a new password. In my case, administrator 1 asterisk, administrator 1 asterisk. This is the one that I use as a complex password. Okay, just change password, and then you should be able to access to the unit. Okay. And again, I have already explained in different videos. If you already have the hardware already there, working fine, I would probably advise you to have a scan and create configuration. If it's brand new, or you have the firmware update, or no, firmware update, no. If you have made a factory reset, then you should be able to see this. The name has no configuration at all. So then you can download your configuration. But I have already explained that in different videos how to do it. This is related to how you can make your first connection to the device. Okay. Then you have different ways to create your project. You can create one offline, you can scan and create, open and open configuration, download it. But if you are going to do that, probably the best would be to scan. So you scan what is the configuration that you have right now. And then here, change the IP address of your device. Okay. Once you change the IP address, 192.168.1.12.255.255.255. The default gateway in my case is this one, 1.1. Okay, then just build the configuration and then just download the configuration to the target. Okay, and that will be it for the first part of this. Then you need to remember, if you're using, dependent of the model you're using, there are further configurations. Okay, but that will be another story. Okay, so this is how you can make your first Ethernet connection to the Modicon EdgeIO. As you saw, it's very simple, very straightforward, and it doesn't matter if you have the software installed or you use the other web interface. Any of those will do the trick. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.